Hey friends, Doug Goodrich with Orion Cub USA here at Oshkosh at our booth and enjoying the busy week here. And with me is Kevin Hopper, the designer of the Orion Cub from South Africa. I wanted to give Kevin an opportunity to tell you an exciting development. The Orion Cub is new to the U.S. here, and but there's always innovation and things going into this airplane. So Kevin, tell us a little bit about what you're going to do with the baggage door here.
We originally have a small baggage door, and then we've been asked for a bigger baggage door, decided what can we do about it. So we've looked at it, the design that allows us to remove that tube completely, weld in a new tube, put a bracing underneath to get the strength back, and then we're going to have a door depicted by the yellow tape. So it's going to be rather big. It still allows a little plinth at the bottom so your stuff doesn't roll out, and then it'll just have two baggage door locks as opposed to one.
Yep, and coming out this way, not up.
Correct. Hinged in the same way, but just going forward.
And one of the advantages of a clean sheet design versus a PA-18 knockoff is you don't have that bar that goes across here that you see in a lot of the other Cubs that kind of is right in the middle of the baggage area. This is going to be completely open all through here, and you can see the push-pull tube here in the center for the elevator. There's a cover over that. We don't have it here with the Cub at Oshkosh, but there will be a cover over that. So you just have a huge baggage area there, and you're going to have this huge door to access it.
One thing that we did from the beginning is we've moved the two longerons out to the Super Cub on there. We've interchanged the stringer and the top longeron, moved them around, which gives us a wider beam, and it also then will give us this access to being able to put the bigger door in.
Well, that's an exciting new development. We're looking forward to it. It will be available on the upcoming Cubs here in the United States and throughout the world.